And also subscribe to this guy. Yeah, this guy. Here's his name. Now let's get into the roast. Wait.
Hey everyone, I am Uwuki Single.
Shut up, girl. You're really cheesehead. You're really freaking motherless, fatherless. You really be raised on your own, girl. Boy, you cheesehead. You're a freaking cheesehead. Eggnog.
Today we will roast my haters back. Easy.
Okay. He's not actually joking. Yeah. Respect for Kaka.
Way too formal, y'all know where I'm from. Stacy Dash, Mercedes, cause they got a clue.
If you didn't know,
Girl, just shut up already. And cause you're fatherless and you're eggnog cheesehead.
people with no fathers is left.
I do not care, so just shut up already.
Look how much.
I do not care.
Okay, let's watch it.
I swear these YouTube Shorts creators are not any better than TikTok.
Appreciate your input, sir.
Yay!
Okay, I like the montage, but I don't like the vid.
Shut up already.
It's my video. You slapped me for $100 million? No.
I do it for free.
Like and subscribe if you don't.
No, cause I will do it for free.
100 million. Right.
I will slap you.
I don't want to.
This is my fans.
I won't. Money won't buy happiness.
I do it for free.
That's what I call a Sigma bombastic moai.
Mr. Rebo Tedpapi passed away. Like and subscribe if you miss her. Comment sad emojis if you love Poppy.
I'm so sad. Poppy died.
Free Robux on my channel. April Fools.
Oh, she's alive.
It's April.
You and I post an April Fool's joke on the sensational about my sister passing away and leaving a scambling with a pinned comment. Truly a clown show classic.
Touch the water if you hate clown show. Me.
I don't hate clown show.
Like and subscribe if you like clown show.
Oh,
Are you serious?
hell.
The water.
Do not like this video. I'll be right back.
No. Verse. Yay, that's what you get.
Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it?
Okay, just shut up,
Why did you
eggnog.
dislike it?
Box 2023.
Come on.
Starting today, our company is now
Roblox 2020. Roblox
Man, the old times.
This is great.
You've got thousands of
Oh,
You know, Roblox in 2017 is cringe. Roblox 2022 is good. It's
Okay, Mr. Eggnog, or should I say Miss Eggnog, please just shut up.
hot.
turning into the person who ruined my life. She killed my kitten.
Brown.
Turning into the person who ruined my life. She promoted gambling.
LOL.
I will recreate this. Look.
No, you are. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. And here's one message for Uwukid Single. Will you just stop? Will you just stop? Just stop. Stop any screech videos and be on Kaka. I will respect Kaka version 450. He is our Lord. And you are not. Wait, is it? Oh wait, yeah, no. Oh wait. It's 100, it's 420. Oh yeah. Respect Kaka for 420, okay? If you don't, get out.